Are you tired of the same old studying tips that everyone already knows? Look no further. Today, I've dug deep to bring you some unique and effective strategies that you've probably never heard of. This information is inspired by Andrew Huberman's work, and I've sifted through 8 hours of his content to bring you the best tips.
Tip 1. Sounds to increase focus and learning.
Did you know that specific sounds can actually improve your ability to focus and learn? In a study conducted in 2020, researchers found that those who listened to 40 Hz binaural beats while performing a task showed much better results than those who didn't. Andrew Huberman recommends using 40 Hz for 5 minutes before or during your study session to improve focus. You can also try white or pink noise, which have been proven to help with focus and even improve sleep.
Tip 2. Overt visual focus.
Struggling to get into the flow of studying? Try staring at a single point for 30 seconds to get mentally prepared for your session. Over 50% of our brain is dedicated to processing visual information. So when you focus on one point for a longer period of time, it activates certain mechanisms in your brain to help you focus better. Try this for just 30 seconds a day and see the improvement in your ability to focus over time. You can even combine it with the first tip by listening to 40 Hz binaural beats while you stare.
Tip 3. Improving your memory.
Want to remember what you study? There are 2 ways to strengthen the neural pathways in your brain and form memories: repetition and intensity. The more you repeat a certain pathway, the stronger it becomes. And studies have shown that there's a strong correlation between adrenaline and the formation of memories. While adrenaline is commonly known for being released in stressful situations, it actually helps to fire the neurons in your brain and create lasting memories. To take advantage of this in a healthy way, try to associate your studying with excitement or passion to release adrenaline and create stronger memories. So, there you have it, 3 unique and effective strategies to help you study better. Give them a try and let us know if they work for you.